Are you ready to unlock the power of the law of assumption and transform your life? In this video, we'll guide you through a powerful set of robotic affirmations designed to help you manifest your deepest desires and dreams. But here's the key. To experience the incredible results you seek, you must listen to these affirmations daily. Consistency is crucial. As you embrace these empowering statements, you'll align your thoughts and beliefs with the abundant life you deserve. So, get ready to shift your mindset, attract positive energy, and watch as your dreams become your reality. Let's dive in and manifest the life you've always wanted. I am worthy of all my dreams and desires. I embrace love and accept it wholeheartedly. I generously give and receive love in all my relationships. I am worthy of all my dreams and desires. I embrace love and accept it wholeheartedly. I generously give and receive love in all my relationships. I am worthy of all my dreams and desires. I embrace love and accept it wholeheartedly. I generously give and receive love in all my relationships. My family holds the utmost importance in my life. I am deeply grateful for every moment spent with my family. I enjoy a harmonious life surrounded by my loved ones. Every relationship I cultivate strengthens me. My connections are loving, respectful, and precious to me. I cherish strong relationships that allow me to be my authentic self. We uplift and encourage each other every step of the way. I have clarity about my deepest desires. My visualization skills lead to incredible manifestations. I harness the power of my imagination to create my reality. I manifest everything I desire with confidence. I can transform my reality by shifting my assumptions. If I can feel it, I can have it. My desires are within reach. I live as though my desires are already fulfilled. I am a powerful creator of my own life. My thoughts and feelings shape my reality. I approach life with a positive and open mindset. I attract my desires effortlessly through positive assumptions and visualization. Wealth and abundance flow into my life naturally. I am open and receptive to all the goodness that surrounds me. I release all fears and doubts related to money and abundance. I have the power to manifest anything I truly desire. Money flows to me with ease. I practice patience and perseverance in all that I do. I am living the life I've always dreamed of. I shape every moment of my life through my empowering assumptions. Change begins within me, and I embrace it. It's easy for me to assume the best and create my desired reality. Anything is possible for me, and I believe in my capabilities. I trust in the process of life and know that everything is unfolding perfectly. I attract opportunities that align with my passions and purpose. I am capable of overcoming any challenges that come my way. I radiate confidence and inspire others to believe in themselves. Every day, I make choices that lead me closer to my dreams. I embrace change as a catalyst for growth. I am committed to my personal development and well-being. I celebrate my achievements, big and small. I let go of fear and embrace love in every situation. I am worthy of love, happiness, and success. I fill my mind with positive thoughts that empower me. I embrace gratitude as a daily practice, inviting more goodness into my life. I choose to view every challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. I am grateful for the present moment and all it has to offer. I let go of the need to control outcomes and trust the process. I am surrounded by love and support from those around me. I honor my feelings and allow myself to express them freely. Congratulations, you've just taken a powerful step towards manifesting your dreams and embracing the abundant life you deserve. Remember, the key to success is consistency, so make it a daily practice to revisit these affirmations and watch how they transform your mindset and reality. You have the power to shape your world, and each day brings new opportunities to manifest your desires. We can't wait to see you back here tomorrow for more empowering affirmations and guidance. Keep shining your light, stay positive, and remember that your dreams are closer than you think. Until next time, stay focused and keep manifesting.